These Aegis Adhesives replacement labels match the DYMO 30334 size closely, so they fit LabelWriter 400 and 300 series machines without fuss or constant adjustments. The direct thermal design prints clean barcodes and text without needing ink or toner, which keeps ongoing supply costs pleasantly low for busy offices or shipping stations. Each compact roll carries a generous count of labels, so a full box lasts through heavy mailing, filing, or inventory cycles before you need to restock. Print quality is sharp and consistent, with smudge-resistant and fade-resistant surfaces that keep barcodes, QR codes, and small fonts easy to scan and read over time. The adhesive grips well on paper, plastic, and metal, making these labels dependable for everything from file folders and storage bins to retail UPC stickers and pantry containers. In daily use, they feed smoothly through compatible LabelWriter printers with very few jams or misreads, which helps keep print runs quick and frustration-free.